this video. Today, we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner, and this is only a very short video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Thank you. For the appetizer, I make the spring rolls and fresh spring rolls. The filling is very simple. I have rice noodles, vegetable like carrots and green onion and cabbage. For fresh spring rolls, the filling are cucumber, cilantro, lettuce, pepper, and carrots. For the sauce, I make peanut sauce and sweet, sour, and spicy sauce. For all the preparation for the turkey was made by my mother-in-law. It takes a little bit more time to prepare, but everything turned to be really delicious. It was beautiful fall season on the Thanksgiving day, even though it's very cold, but the weather is so beautiful outside, and then we can still enjoy the beautiful season.
It says 194 right there. Let's wait.
Finally, the turkey is done, and my father-in-law will cut the turkey, and then we'll finally have Thanksgiving dinner. I hope you all had a beautiful and wonderful Thanksgiving dinner. Finally, the table is set up, everything is on the table, and then we are ready to have the Thanksgiving dinner.
Does everybody have gravy?
I need mashed potatoes.
For the dessert, we have apple pie, pumpkin pie, and cherry pie.
You're getting the whole work.
How's
Whoa,
that?
wow.
Fork serve.
Thank you for watching, and I hope that you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving day.